How to add an address to your Instagram bio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add an address to your Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your Instagram and go to your profile on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on Edit Profile and you should be on the Edit Profile section. Scroll down and there you'll find Contact option. Head over to Contact Options and there you should find an option that says your business location. So if you don't find business location, that might be due to your account setting type. So yeah, after you find business location, you can then start adding your address there. If you don't have it, you might want to update your Instagram's app. So go to your app store, go to the search bar, go to Insta, search for Instagram, and if you see an update option available, tap on update and update the app, and you can start doing that. And that's basically it. That's how you add an address to your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.